Morning, kids. Today's mashup is kind of going with the earth. So we've got some recycling of water, seedlings, trees, a phone, those kinds of things. Or they can call this a water drop. But you got to remember order of operations. You can either use PEMDAS or GEMS. Remember, GEMS is just doing groupings first, then exponents, then multiplication and division, then you can do addition and subtraction, and you go left to right. If you're doing PEMDAS, and in this particular case, remember you do multiplication and division left to right before you do addition and subtraction. I would start with finding the amount of the tree. And you might want to just guess and check, like pick a number and see if it works. If it's too big, then go to a smaller number. If it's too small, go to a bigger number. Make sure you explain to me how you found your answer, either in the Google Doc that's attached or in a Flipgrid. Make sure to use math vocabulary. Have a great day, guys.